Lee&Man Paper was established in 1994, listed in the main board of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange in 2003, which stock code is 02314, whose main products are kraft liner board for industrial packaging, corrugating medium, duplex board with gray back, bamboo pulp and wood pulp, tissue paper, baby and adult diapers, etc. Total capacity are 5,700,000 tons for packaging paper, 200,000 tons for pulp, and 300,000 tons for tissue paper per year. Lee&Man has 6 paper factories and a pulp factory, distributing Zhongtang, Dongguan, Guangdong, Hongmei, Dongguan, Guangdong, Changshu, Jiangsu, Yongchuan, Chongqing, Ruijiang, Jiangxi, Hongjiang, Vietnam. Besides, there are purchasing centers for raw materials in USA and European countries, and agency offices in Hong Kong and Macau. All factories occupy a ground space of 10,000 acres, with total installed capacity for thermal power stations with steam and electricity integration of 901 megawatt. The sewage treatment stations for each company can deal with 190,000 ton polluted water. There are 7,500 employees currently. Dongguan Lee&Man established in 1994, located in Zhongtang, Dongguan, with a plant area of 650 acres. There are 4 paper production lines with annual capacity of 600,000 tons. It is supplied to 66 megawatt thermal power stations with steam and electricity integration, sewage treatment stations with capacity of 18,000 ton polluted water per day, and 2 shipping docks with weight capacity of 3,000 tons. Guangdong Lee&Man established in 2004, located at Hongmei with a plant area of 2,600 acres. There are 6 paper production lines with annual capacity of 2,300,000 tons, which is 1,700,000 for kraft liner board and 580,000 for duplex board with gray back. It is also supplied to 275 megawatt thermal power stations with steam and electricity integration sewage treatment stations with a capacity of 70,000 tons polluted water per day, and 4 shipping docks with weight capacity of 3,000 tons. Jiangsu Lee&Man established in 2002, located in Changshu, Jiangsu Province, with a plant area of 1,400 acres. There are 4 kraft paper production lines, with annual capacity of 1.2 tons of kraft liner board and kraft paper with white top liners board. Besides, it will establish production lines for tissue paper of 120,000 tons. It is also supplied to 210 megawatt thermal power stations with steam and electricity integration and sewage treatment stations with a capacity of 36,000 tons polluted water per day. There are 2 shipping docks, each with weight capacity of 20,000 tons for bulk cargo and groceries, 1 container dock with weight capacity of 10,000 tons, and 1 multifunctional dock with 5,000 tons. Chongqing Lee&Man established in 2007, located in Yunchuan, Chongqing, with a plant area of 2,770 acres. Its annual outputs are 900,000 tons for kraft liner board and kraft with white top liner board, sewage treatment stations, 200,000 tons for bamboo pulp, and 180,000 tons for tissue paper, baby and adult diapers. It is also supplied to 150 megawatt thermal power stations with steam and electricity integration with a capacity of 30,000 tons of paper polluted water per day, a capacity of 30,000 tons of pulp polluted water per day, and 2 shipping docks with weight capacity of 3,000 tons. Jiangxi Lee&Man, established in 2010, located in Ruijiang, Jiangxi, with a plant area of 1,350 acres. There is 1 paper production line with annual capacity of 320,000 tons for kraft liner boards. Besides, it will establish new production line up to a total capacity of 650,000 tons. It is also supplied to 75 megawatt thermal power stations with steam and electricity integration sewage treatment stations with a capacity of 15,000 tons of polluted water per day, and 2 shipping docks with weight capacity of 10,000 tons. Moreover, Jiangxi Lee&Man can promote its annual capacity to 2,500,000 tons according to the market requirement. Vietnam Lee&Man, established in 2007, located in Châu Chang, Ho Giang Province, southern part of Vietnam, with a plant area of 1,230 acres, which is very close to the estuary of Mekong. A paper production lines with an annual capacity of 380,000 tons is being established currently. Later will add the capacity of 600,000 tons of packaging paper and tissue paper will begin to produce in the beginning of 2016. It will also establish the 125 MW thermal power station with steam and electricity integration, sewage treatment stations with the capacity of 20,000 tons of polluted water per day, and 2 shipping docks, each with weight capacity of 10,000 tons. Lee&Man Paper's lines were made in Germany, Finland, Japan, Korea, Austria, US, Canada, and etc., which own the most advanced techniques and skills, can maximum save the resources for waste paper at utmost to 98% of availability. Therefore, Lee&Man is the top enterprise to recycle waste papers among the world. On energy consumptions such as paper, water, and standard coal, has already been up to the paper industry standard. The matching thermal power stations with steam and electricity integration can meet the production need for factories, and they have been installed dust, sulfur, and removal devices correspondingly to get the national environment standard. All factory sewage treatment stations adopt the most advanced international processing technology, and the treated wastewater has been up to the strictest standard locally and nationally. Moreover, we have established a waterworks, shipping docks, large waste paper yard, finished goods warehouse, automatic storage, etc. Lee&Man Paper is good for its high quality with reasonable prices and always delivered on time, based on the procedures of supplier's assessment, sample test for raw material, the supervision of production process, and quality verification. The group is completely set to monitoring procedures to ensure the quality of the product is perfect. Meanwhile, Research and Development Center in the group will improve the paper-making methods and skills further without stop to search new market direction. For customers' more choices, we persist in the talent that customers benefit is our most satisfaction. Lee&Man service aim is customer as the first. We have professional sales team to provide outstanding services for all customers, and the sales managers will visit the customers to get feedback through communication and keep close cooperating relations with the customers for mutual benefit and win-win result. Excellent products and comprehensive logistics is the guarantee of outstanding service. In order to improve the group's logistics network, all factories were located strategically in the main ports and near the important river basin in China, have their own shipping docks and container yards. Every week, there are many foreign ships to transport the materials from US and Europe to the ports first, and then back to the factories. Moreover, each factory has over 1,000 vehicles to deal with the 1,540 feet containers, which are recycled as import-and-export transportation to lower the logistics cost. Besides, our logistic management systems are all controlled by computers to provide more speedy, precise, and reliable transportation service. As a reasonable enterprise, Lee&Man Paper is making efforts in the environment protection. Over 95% raw materials are recycled waste paper. During the production, we strictly implement the international standard to save the resources and keep clean. Meanwhile, we have passed the related management certificates. The well-run management is the key part for a successful enterprise. Lee&Man Paper's talented managers can give prompt feedback according to the market demand to maintain our leading position among the whole paper companies. We value the talent training and their development, so we always employ a wealth of gifted youngsters and provide prompting space for them. Meanwhile, there are comprehensive living facilities in the factory, such as gymnasium, library, employee dormitories, dining room, etc. We arrange professional team to organize plenty of spare time activities for all employees. The first company of Lee&Man Group was established in 1976 in Hong Kong. Up to now, it has two companies listed in the main board of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange: Lee&Man Paper, stock code 02314, and Lee&Man Chemical, stock code 00746. The investment include industrial packaging papers, pulp-making chemical, household paper, hotels, and real estate, etc. Although paper consumption in China is growing steadily, it is still much far away from developed countries by times, and the market developing space is very huge in a foreseeable future. The population of e-commerce and online shopping have changed the consumption mode in the market and brought plenty of business opportunities. So Lee&Man Paper's new aim comes into accurate future investment upon today's market situation. Lee&Man Paper depend on multi-products, and high-quality service is developing the market continually to get more market share for tomorrow's solid foundation to create a more beautiful and marvelous future.